Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, November 2nd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video to go over the differences between network marketing and affiliate marketing. All right, and if you see me looking down here, it's because I have some notes that I took. And, I'm just trying to shoot these videos a little bit differently so they're not always the same way every time I record a video. But anyway, the number one difference, and these are in no particular order, but the number one difference I have on my notes here is the business model. All right, now MLM or network marketing is direct sales. All right, so it's based not only on your performance, but it's based on your team's performance. Whereas affiliate marketing is usually solely based on your own performance. Okay, so the number two difference is the compensation structure. MLM is usually team-based, like I just said, so not only are you getting paid on your own efforts, but over time, as you build a team, you're going to be paid on members below you that are on your team, okay? Whereas affiliate marketing, again, is solely based on your performance. Usually. There are some exceptions, but 95% of affiliate programs are based solely on your own performance, okay? Number three is recruitment. So with MLM, you are going out there, you're not only selling your product, but you're also recruiting members onto your team. You want to recruit other sale members. All right. Whereas affiliate marketing, again, it's based on your own efforts 95% of the time. Number four is the cost and investment. So multi-level marketing companies usually have a startup cost just like any other business in the world, okay? You can't go and start a McDonald's franchise without paying for the licensing fee, the building which your restaurant's going to be in, insurances and all that fun stuff. So there's always a startup cost whenever you are joining a network marketing company. And they can range anywhere from, a few dollars all the way up to thousands of dollars depending on the program or the company that you're joining. Okay, I'm going to tell you about our company here in just a little bit, where you can get started for as little as $9.97 a month. Affiliate marketing, well, that's usually free. Again, it depends on what program or what company you're working with, but 99% of affiliate marketing affiliate programs are free. And you can go to Amazon has an affiliate program, Walmart has an affiliate program. All the big box stores have affiliate programs now, and basically every company online has an affiliate program. We even have an affiliate program with our soap company. So, number five is the products and services. Now, network marketing or multi-level marketing usually deals in the physical products or services. Okay, and the affiliate marketing, there's a whole wide range of what you can promote online to make money. A lot of it's digital products, physical products, services, and it just goes on and on. In fact, Tesla even has an affiliate program. So you can go and sign up for an affiliate program and get a link and promote Tesla, and if you sell a Tesla car through your link, you will make a commission. Number six is the longevity and stability. So multi-level marketing or network marketing always gets a bad rap. And the reason why is because 98% of the people who sign up never do anything. Okay, they sign up for these companies, they put in no effort, they think they're going to get rich overnight, and after a month or two, sometimes, mostly, a lot of the times it's less time than that, when they're not making $1 million a year or a month, they quit. Okay, so MLM is a little more controversial because the way that the media portrays it, and everybody who's never been involved with network marketing portrays it, is like a pyramid scheme, or it's a scam or something like that. But network marketing is actually the only industry that I know of where you can literally write your own paycheck. Okay, and I've talked about this in my other videos before, but the sky is the limit when it comes to pay in network marketing. It just depends on how much work and effort and how bad you want it, right? So the people that sign up for these companies, these network marketing opportunities, that take action and they're passionate about it and they show up every day and they put in the work, those are the people that, in 6 months to a year, they're making a full-time income. Whereas the tire kickers, I call them, they sign up, they really want to get rich, but not bad enough to where they actually do anything. And then when they don't make money after a week or 2 or a month or 3, whatever, they quit. Okay? Now, it's more controversial than affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is more stable, I guess is a good word, than network marketing. You know, you can sign up, and the thing that I like about network marketing over affiliate marketing is most of the time when you make an affiliate sale, that's all that there is to it. You know, if you go out and sell a $100 product and they're paying 10% commission, you're going to make $10 and that's it. Whereas with network marketing, if you go out there and build a huge team over time, you can build residual income, okay? Now with the company I've been involved with since its launch in April, I've earned a paycheck every single week that I've been in this company. All right? And that's based on not only my efforts, but the people on our team, okay? So we have a team now of well over 200 people, and I can make a little bit of money off of each of those people. And all of my direct referrals, the people that I personally brought into the company, which is over 30 people now, I get a 25% check match of whatever they make, okay? And our team is growing like crazy. I mean, we've had over 150 people join since October 26th. Okay? And I mean, my phone has been going off all day long with notifications of new people joining. So it's just absolutely crazy. That is why I prefer network marketing over affiliate marketing. There's nothing wrong with affiliate marketing. I've done many affiliate sales in my life. I made a lot of money with affiliate marketing. But I just think long term, I like network marketing. I like building big teams and, you know, having, how can I say this? What is the, you know, like, would you rather have 100% of your own effort, or would you rather have a small percent of, you know, 100 or 200 people's efforts, right? And I choose the latter. So that's why I prefer network marketing, okay? And with our company, it's a $9.97 it's a $9.97 per month business. All right, that you can run on your cell phone. If you have an internet connection and a cell phone, you can make this business work, okay? So you pay a one-time $40 reseller fee and then $9.97 a month. We also have a yearly option where you can pay $99.97 for the whole year, save $20, so you get 2 months for free, and then the $40 reseller fee, which is only one time to start your own global business. All right? So our team is growing like crazy. If you're looking to supplement your income or replace your income, then check out the link below this video. It's going to take you over to our 6-minute tour page. It's going to take you over to our tour page with a 6-minute video on there that goes into more depth about our company and what we offer, okay? And if that's something that resonates with you, you can put your name and your email in and just click on the, the button there on that page, and then you're going to be taken into a temporary back office where you can learn even more about the company and then decide if it's right for you or not, and you can join from that page. So anyway, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.